Here it is, ladies and gentlemen, the $60 Rustoleum smoke gray paint job. Now, we are under a little bit of a time constraint. My buddy Eli, he needs to take the car and he needs to get back to Concord with it. This paint did come out beautiful, but I'm not going to be able to have too much time with the car, but that's fine. We knew the whole deal with this when we started it. Like I said, it come out beautiful, guys. I had my gun dialed in way better this time around, and well, the results kind of speak for themselves. I mean, $60 paint job, you really can't beat that. It's super glossy, and I'm more than happy with it. I know he is too. That roof, I mean, not bad for some oil-based shot through a V4 paint gun, right? So, anyways, these are the results you can expect when you do a Rustoleum paint job and do it, well, halfway decent, at least. As you can see, I still got some tape and some other things you got to do, but I know you guys were wanting to see it without the tape. But like I said, we got to throw it back together real quick because he's got to get back to Concord. It's only been sitting for about a day, so the paint is, well, fresh, none to say the least. But yeah, boy, this was one for the books. Smoke gray Rustoleum, $60 paint job. Can't beat it. All right, guys, so it's a couple of days later. I'm slowly getting my voice back. I did come down with bronchitis, so I'm kind of stretching out my videos strategically to kind of cover me and give you guys something to watch until I do get better. I've had to turn down quite a few paint jobs and push them back a little bit just because not a great job to get out there and paint when you got bronchitis. That ain't gonna help it get better. So, but anyways, I wanted to give you guys kind of an update where I'm at. We are gonna jump on some paint jobs again soon. Got a lot of cool stuff in the works coming up, guys. I'm, really looking forward to. Had a couple of questions you guys wanted answered. Yeah, you can throw clear coat over this Rustoleum, guys, no problem. I recommend 2K urethane clear coat. It seems to do the best. You get a good quality automotive finish when you use that. For some reason, anytime I've used a 1K acrylic enamel lacquer of the sorts, it tends to dry out. It tends to not look glossy, and it tends to want to shrink really bad. So if you do decide to go with the clear coat over Rustoleum, apply it just the same as you would a base clear job, and just use 2K urethane. Like I said, I've had no issues with it. Speedo coat's a good one. The link's up in my Amazon affiliates if you guys want to check that out, or if you want to use any products you've seen on the channel, check out my Amazon link and you can purchase them there. Like I said, we will have many more paint jobs coming up really soon. Just trying to give myself a little bit of time to heal, and that's where that's at. But I know this video is kind of short and sweet today, but I did want to give you guys a really good walk around on the smoke gray paint job. I had a lot of interest in that. I love that color, that shiny primer, like Nardo gray color. And for the money, you can't really beat it. So if you decide to do it yourself, the materials are always listed in my videos. And, if you can't find it in there, the Rustoleum, the paint, and the acetone were purchased at Lowe's. So, but anything else you need, tape, plastics, anything else you want to use that I used personally, it'll be in the description. Even my air paint gun setup. Everything's in there, guys. Completely transparent. So, anyways, I'm going to focus a couple more days on getting better. And then we're going to have a lot more cool content coming out. But I appreciate you guys for watching today. If you made it this far, please subscribe, hit that like button, and turn the bell notification on so you don't miss an episode. And that's it for me today, guys. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. God bless. I hope you guys have a great day. And I'll see you guys on the next one.